Hey YouTube. Sorry about that, I was yawning and I happened to hit the start button. I've got last 8 packs of Dark Explorers that I'll probably end up ever buying for the set, I think. Got them really for dirt cheap, $2 a pack again, which is awesome compared to what you get at Walmart or Target for that $4.20 to $4.30, which is ridiculous. Yeah, I got some good pulls in part 1 and 2, so you should check that out. Obviously this is part 3, my final part, and I'm hoping to pull at least something else good. That would be nice. Whether it's a bunch of holos or reverses, or even EXs. That's my main thing, but definitely want those reverses too. Ooh, haven't gotten Scraggy in a while. Got that Shummet again. Timber. Joltik. Lillipup. A Charon, which I have, and Glaceon, which I always get a million of. It's a very popular rare card, Glaceon. I think I saw what I was getting for a rare on accident. Buskin, Dark Patch, Herder, Chansey, Ducklet, Tynamo, Ponnard, Carablast, Slowpoke, 23, Oopsies, and a Stoutland. Awesome. And of course this pack all gets all messed up. Go figure. Charon, Slowbro, Twist Mountain, Eevee, Clink, Vanillite, Slowpoke, Sando, Hooligans Reverse, and another Glaceon. Not the best pulls out of these blister packs. One EX, but so far not too impressed. I have a Vaporeon, Rare Candy, N, Bulbasaur, Vanillite, Torchic, Sando, Eevee, Carablast Reverse, which I have, and another Stoutland. Wow. I got 4 packs left and I haven't pulled any holo or anything on this part. Nothing, man, nothing. I should have done this part first, man. Professor Juniper, Crustle, Crocorock, Larvesta, Tynepool, Dwibble, Woobat, Torchic, Larvesta, number 20, which I need, awesome, so that's cool, and Excelgor. So at least I got a reverse I needed. Happy with that pull at least. Three packs left. Doesn't look like anything in this one either. Got a Girder, Sableye, Dark Patch, Harvesta, Bulbasaur, Chansey, Ducklet, Tynamo, Dark Patch Reverse, and a Volcarona. So at least a holo. That's cool. Scyther, Random Receiver, Torkoal, Tynamo, Sandile, Piplup, Larvesta, Bulbasaur, Charon, oh my god, and Bisharp. So, not the best part here. Looks like only one EX. Bummer. Darklaw, Ivysaur, Random Receiver, oopsies, Joltik, Ducklet, Shelmet, Uzorua, Piplup, Chair in Reverse, and a Capigrous. So, overall, I mean, I got some cards I needed. 7, I got pretty much average pulls. 1 EX though, which kind of sucked, but still an EX. Not the one that I was looking for. Get a Volcarona, Haxorus, Empoleon, Klinklang, Blissey, and another Blissey. So I still need quite a bit of stuff from the set. I need Entei full art, Darkrai full art, Tornadus full art, Archeops shiny, Pokemon Catcher shiny. I still need 2 EXs too. I need Raikou EX and Entei EX. And then that doesn't even include all the freaking reverses that I need. I need Scyther, Leafeon, Darklaw, Twist Mountain, Blaziken, Empoleon, Glaceon, Vanillish, Joltik number 41, Yamask, Vigorous, Umbreon, Sandil, Krokorok, Zoroark, Bisharp. I even got more on the side. I got Klinklang, Chatot, and Stoutland. Crazy amounts of stuff that I still need from this set, and I did not pull anything that I needed holo-wise. I did pull some of the reverses, which I'm happy with, but not as much as I was hoping for. I may end up buying some more, mainly because I didn't get anything that I needed, but I'm probably end up just going to buy them. Probably be cheaper in the long run, and I'll probably save my money on buying some other cool sets that are older that you guys would probably like seeing, like maybe some Wizards of the Coast sets. So that might be coming down the pipe instead of more Dark Explorers, because getting kind of old Dark Explorers and the crap pulls that I always get from blister packs. I don't know why my luck sucks. I wish I had Susuke's or even Pokepix luck, because they always get amazing pulls. But yeah, I digress. So I hope you guys enjoyed the opening. Got some decent pulls, some EX, or 1 EX. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. It really does help, and I really do appreciate it. And stay tuned for some more videos to come.